going on, folks? Welcome to the channel. Well, the days arrived when I got my slide back, and Nameless Armament did an excellent job in remachining the Optic pocket. What I had them do was remove the two lugs, and what they did was machined it flat. So now it's no more zeroing issues. If you had issues with them, you can't adjust it enough down because they're shooting too high at 10 yards or 15 yards. This solves that problem. So what you can do now, take this, throw it away. You don't need that plate anymore. And this is the EPS Carry. See if I can't get a shot of the co-witness. Yeah, co-witness is pretty good. No issues whatsoever. So let's get this thing mounted, and then we'll see what it looks like. And I'll put the link to Nameless Armament. I'll put the link to them in the video description. On one important note, whenever you're installing the sight, if you're installing it yourself, be sure to use blue Loctite. Blue, not red. Red you'll never get it off unless you heat it up. Use blue Loctite and get something like a torque screwdriver. This is the fat wrench. And torque your screws down to 15 inch-pounds. Almost forgot. What you want to do for safety sakes and for notification sakes, to keep an eye on it, put your two little hash marks on the screws so you can see if they're back out on you. You can tell at a glance if they're doing that. And this is the end result. Nice flush looking. Just for those safety nuts. There's nothing in the chamber, no magazine, nothing in the chamber. It's been safety checked. But this is the end result, and I like it. Turned out nice. Thank you, folks. Appreciate you. God bless.